For the very first time, they're enjoying outside.
Mom!
There's Bailey and Moxie. Okay, well, the grass is softer.
Mom,
ours is still torn out from all the construction.
Oh, look.
There's Moxie.
Look at this,
And, ooh, she didn't know what she thought about the cement. And
Mama,
Maddox.
look at.
Yeah, you found a snail shell, huh? There's little Mo. They're just enjoying the front yard and the sunshine. Well, hi, Maddox. There's Bailey.
She doesn't like this. Oh yeah. Hey, look.
Oh, Mama's in the backyard. She's not liking it so much that their puppies are out here and she's not with them. I don't know which two puppies those
They
are.
all just like, they're like magnetized.
Herd them back this way, please.
No, Connor.
Moxie and Mo. Oh, I'm sorry, Tanner. I get it. Every now and then. I shoot about half the time now.
She's chewing on a rock.
Here comes Jenna with Missy
Maddox
and Maddox. And there's Mason. Oh, sorry, the wind and everything is making it shake a little bit.
Hey.
Who do we have here? Here is Miss Magnolia.
It's Moxie.
That's not... Mason broke free of his collar. We loosened it a little bit last night. Or yesterday when we gave them their shots. And I think we loosened it a little bit. No, but let's keep them in our yard, please. It's polite.
Who's not gonna like puppies in their yard? Come on.
Well, do you want to... They're going to find maybe puppy poo in their yard. There's Mo. Okay, you guys all come this way. Let's see, Maddox, Mo, or Tanner, Moxie. There's Memphis. Hi, puppy. Yeah.
The backyard's better.
Well, the backyard's fence is just so much bigger, and there's more for them to get into. I don't know, maybe the backyard's better. Maybe we'll try the backyard tomorrow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And there's Missy.
Moxie. Mason getting carried.
Memphis eating a dandelion.
Missy.
Put them in the backyard so they don't run in the street.
Yeah, maybe we'll try that tomorrow. We'll leave them here for today.
1,
Let's see, there's Mason going after somebody. I'm not sure which.
We're missing a pup.
8.
Nope. Jenna keeps counting, I hear her.
Okay.
Daniel, who's had at your feet?
Maddox.
Oh, chewing on your shoelaces?
Yeah. Grass.
Marietta. I'm sorry, Bailey.
Maggie.
Gotta need it back after
And Missy. There's Mason. Hi, Mason.
Bobby.
And Missy. I know, Mama. We got your puppies. They're all good.
Mason.
Maddox. Come on.
Let's go and surround them up. Do a circle of life.
There's Mason. And Bailey.
Memphis.
And Memphis.
Where do you think you're going, Memphis?
Connor has Mo. Tanner. I'm sorry, Shireen. I'll get it right someday.
Come on, little Miss Moxie.
Okay.
Are there any puppies behind me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Are they all in the garden?
Yep.
Yeah. All like
Memphis?
Jenny, your ice tier frog are missing.
There's Magnolia.
Oh my gosh, I found a snail! I found a snail.
Here,
Hi,
where is
Missy.
it? It's a puppy.
No, it's just the shell. Hey, sweetie.
Kayla, stop it. You're like freaking out.
Puppy.
Maddox, come here. Come here, puppy. Maddox, no, don't. That's a rock. Stop. That's a rock.
They all hear Mama on the back side of the fence. Hey, Tanner. Hi, Tanner.
There you go. Interception.
All right, puppies. Let's see, Mason and Magnolia.
Mo's underneath you.
Missy's at the sprinkler station.
Oh, don't you
Maddox,
think about it,
dude.
girls.
Put you on top of the mountain.
Do we have 8 puppies?
Yeah. Like
6, 8.
Hey, Tanner. Hi, puppy.
Maggie.
I'm gonna take like
Moxie.
10 hours to upload.
Hi. Do you like the puppies? Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Oh, you missed it.
Oh.
All right, look at them. There's the fence. Mama's on the other side and Daddy.
And look at the other.
Put them down carefully. Okay. That was Missy. Where are you going, Mr. Tanner? You're trying to slip around behind. Hey, Mox.
Mason is through.
Uh-oh. Hey, Bailey. Through the backside? Someone needs to go around then. If you guys...
I got it.
Thank you.
I got it.
I got it.
Oh, Jenna.
I'm just gonna smush him. She's trying to nurse.
Oh, I wondered if that would happen.
She's going like this.
Daniel, they're gonna try to nurse. They're gonna try to nurse.
She's playing with them.
Oh, is she?
Yeah. That's me. Come on.
You're just like, look at her.
Are you sure she's not trying to avoid them because they're trying to nurse?
No, she's like,
Bailey. 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 Bailey.
There's Maddox. Sorry, I'm just filming through the gate here.
Oh, that's dark. It's getting in my eye.
Mama's playing with the pups in the backyard. Careful.
Puppies, Mo, Tanner. Come here.
Okay, everyone keep counting because I'm not looking behind me.
I got 2 in here. Yeah, Kayla has 2, and there's 2 more next.
3. Come on. She does 3. Come on. There's 3 puppies, 4, 5.
There, I got another one over here.
Okay.
2, 3, 4.
All right, there's
5,
Marietta.
6. Come here, 7.
Get 'em
8.
carefully.
I think we have 8.
Penny, why don't we just